So here we are, we're rebuilding my virtual lab environment, an LTP series episode 1, from loss to structured rebuild using VMware Workstation since Broadcom's transition. As promised, after losing my original virtual lab as a result of a hard drive reformat, that lab had taken me unmeasurable real time to build, many years of security configuration, structure, tools, and working systems. So in this rebuild series, I'm starting from zero, but before I can start rebuilding anything, there was one challenge I had to get through first, and that is regaining access to my official VMware account and navigating the Broadcom transition so I can download VMware Workstation again. And if that process has felt confusing to you, then this video will save you time. So previously, my virtual lab was built on VMware Workstation Pro virtualization software on a Windows 11 host. So my host machine is an Alienware M18 with a 13th gen Intel Core i9 with 64 GB of RAM, and that's plenty headroom for a serious lab rebuild. The challenge this time was not the hardware. Since VMware's transition under Broadcom, the route to support authentication and download feels different from what many users were used to. Broadcom's current support guidance now point users through Broadcom's support portal for VMware Workstation download and installation steps. So I would like to show you the process realistically, not just a successful end result. So let's move over to the show and tell.